Hello, you are on the Osono'rgan AI channel. Today we will discuss a very interesting and important topic, artificial intelligence, or AI. Perhaps you have heard this word many times, but what exactly is artificial intelligence? In short, AI is a technology that mimics human intelligence. It learns independently, analyzes, makes decisions, and becomes smarter over time. For example, if you use Google Translate on your phone or use bots on Telegram, this is also AI at work. Does YouTube suggest videos you like? Yes, that's also AI. Even apps that automatically enhance your photos use artificial intelligence. Now imagine, AI is no longer just for programmers or companies. Everyone can use it in work, study, creativity, and business. For example, a teacher can create tests with AI, and a graphic designer can automatically generate logos. An entrepreneur, through artificial intelligence, creates marketing texts, announcements, and advertising content. Artificial intelligence not only simplifies work but also saves time. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in just a few minutes. That's why AI is the demand of the times, the language of the future. But it's important to remember that AI does not fully replace humans. It is our assistant. The most important thing is to learn how to use it correctly. By learning AI, you will gain new skills. Quickly writing text with ChatGPT, creating beautiful images with Midjourney or Leonardo, and making videos through HeyGen, and many more tools to strengthen your brand. A person who knows artificial intelligence is the most sought-after professional in the modern world. Therefore, start learning today. The Osono'rgan AI channel teaches you artificial intelligence easily, practically, and in Uzbek. In each video, you will learn a new useful program, tool, or strategy. So don't waste time, subscribe, watch the videos, and let's learn future professions together. Learning is easy, the result is great. Osono'rgan AI, your path to the future.